Let's join the PrincessMarie for Z. Hey, plug in the phone. Oh, plug it in. So it might die.
Have this with I wish. Oh wait, Daddy, remember in my world we had to build slime. Remember? Were you at?
Oh.
No.
No, I don't remember. Oh, we gotta build slime. That's right. All right. I'm building my slime. All right, so for this build challenge, we are making slime. All right, are you in? Oh, that's awkward.
I'm not waiting no more.
We gotta make a slime block. Is that what we're doing?
Slime in a container.
Ooh.
Remember that? Now I know my beep 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 beep. Now I know this is next I want to sing this song.
It's awkward.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V. Okay, stop singing. Viewers, Y-N-G. We'll stop singing. What? The viewers don't want to just hear a bunch of smack.
Oh, what are you doing?
Fine.
Wait, Will, are you in? Oh, hey, Will is in. Hi, Will. All right, Will is going to turn to a slime block inside my container. Does that count?
That's fine. For this one, you cannot go to these places. No matter what.
Yeah, that includes you, Marie. Yeah, punk. That's true. We only have about 10 more minutes. We only have about 10 more minutes. Then we gotta go to bed.
Count. He just
Build.
help.
It's a slime! Look, his name is an imposter. You know what I think, chat? I think he's the imposter. You know it.
My name is Will.
Oh. Well, you're imposter, Will. No, my name is Duck Ock. Oh.
Daddy,
My name is Daddy.
Daddy, I don't want. Daddy.
No, Marie. No, Marie.
Why do you not let us say your actual name?
It's a secret.
His name is Will. And his name is Daddy.
That's the secret.
No. Daddy doesn't want us saying it's his actual.
Yeah, it's Daddy. Yeah, it is. That's my born name. Of course it is. No! Hey, Marie, seriously, stop.
By the way, you can add charms.
Charm? What does that mean?
Daddy, slime block. Has to be slime in container.
But it is a slime in a container.
Wait, so you're making the slime a container?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, but that's what we're doing.
With an actual, like, glass.
Oh. Wait. Why are you looking at what I'm doing?
To do. Daddy, let's build it. Daddy, why you building? That is my dad. Daddy, why you building a family?
Because we are family. Me and my brothers and sisters and me. Yeah. This is your group. These are your pals. This is your family. Your Ohana.
Thank you, Dad. You're funny in what is my family.
Nuh-uh.
We are family. Yamabulan to shows me. Nobody needs to do that song. It's not in the intro. Not the end. Well, it is. But we're not
Oh, you sing at the end too.
Daddy, my screen is wagging. So much wrong.
Well, Murray said I need to put a bunch of slime. So I'm putting a bunch of slime in there. Murray said I need to put all the slime. So I'm putting all the slime in.
Daddy,
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Daddy.
Whoa. How'd you guys get out? They cheated. What? How does my slime get out of there? You guys can get out.
Daddy.
You guys are my prisoners.
Family number.
Nuh-uh. Is it
Get
too far? Is it too high up? Is that why they keep dying? Oh, whoops. I didn't mean to.
If you want me to show you, I can.
Well, this is awkward. All right, so I need to make a glass. Is that what you said, Mary? All right. We'll do some glass.
But Daddy, I'm a slime human.
You're a slime Tukey.
Contained. I'm inside the container as a slime.
Actually, we'll just do this.
Yeah, slime.
Well, yeah. I need all the slimes.
My truck won't exist when you add all
Hey,
of the.
go away. Shoot.
We are
Shoot.
but so at the end, let's teleport back into robots.
I want to teleport back into Roblox.
Yeah, one you
Okay.
one. I still want to do this YouTube channel. Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, I can't believe now it's our YouTubers.
Yeah, I can't believe that we're YouTubers now. Totally tubular, dude.
Daddy, you really? I started this my social make YouTube channels.
Are we so cool?
But Daddy,
Are we part of the goo now? Yep, the goo. Trust me, Ben knows. Ben knows that that's a thing now. And it will be a thing for sure.
you're a fool. You're
Oh, that's rude.
too.
Okay, you guys should start thinking about wrapping up, though.
What?
Well, we are. Our plan is the next 5 minutes.
Daddy.
I just want to make sure.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, I won't go back inside. Daddy. Daddy, where are you?
I don't know. Where are you?
Daddy, there's no glass. What do senses to me?
Okay, Marie, you hear that? We got 5 more minutes. Or 4 more minutes.
To my suit.
Same with y'all, chat. We're gonna play for 5 more minutes, and we're gonna. My kids got school tomorrow. I go to bed. Even the YouTube life needs to do things in life, like touch grass.
Daddy, I know you have to build too.
This is awkward. Will was supposed to be building this whole time. You silly goosey. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, I was helping Daddy. Oh, this is awkward.
Done. Now I'm gonna wait. What the cinema? This is so tall.
You're what the Sigma.
I built it 1 block. 1 block. That's it.
That's it. Only 1 block. 1 block for circle. For circles.
Done. Jump ball. I did time a ball in use container. I'm stuck.
Probably.
Buddy, close up the lid.
I'm trying to.
To be stuck with my family.
You want to be stuck with your family?
These are very.
Will is with his Ohana. He's stuck with the slime balls.
I'm flying with my slime balls.
You're fine with the slime.
Container. That is me. Something.
Oh, I'm almost done.
We're up the wind.
Trying to. Oh, I got 2 minutes left. Oh no!
Better go fast.
Better go fast. I'm going as fast as I can. Oh, it's just that one. Okay. Oh, I think it's last set. Last row. Last row. Ho ho ho. I'm cooking.
Starting.
I'm cooking.
I'm gonna spawn in with you.
You're gonna be stuck there forever. Okay, okay. Now I need to get the other one. This one.
This was you can be starting.
This is awkward. Oh, Marie, don't break it. I guess I should go another round, huh? Probably. There's a couple of them that seem like they might have escaped. It's quite rude. I'm not sure, to be honest.
Daddy, go faster.
I'm going fast again.
There we go.
Hello.
Not your place.
All right, I have time.
Let's find out.
Yep.
Then why are you still building? We're going to your place first. So stop building.
All right, to my place first. Okay.
This is terrible.
What?
This is not. This.
That is slime. But it's slime. Chat, this is slime. Okay, okay. Okay, princess. Well, look at yours. Where's yours? Where is it? Oh, we went the wrong side. That's not slime. No. That is pink blocks. Is that the lid? Oh, I like it. That's cool.
I want
But I have slime. Thank you very much. Oh, look at this. Look at this, chat. Look. It's beautiful.
what's on my side.
All right, guys. Come on.
Beautifully
Beautifully ugly. Let me see. I don't know.
these slimes are mob. They kill you at night.